Damn, Namibia, Windhoek, I think I fell in love with you.
A radio interview and a TV interview. It's unfortunate, Namibia has been a wonderful country, but this guy right here, this is the weirdest experience I've ever been through.
But I left here gaining real friends and connections. Zimbabwe was beautiful and a big success, but we were about to enter a new country, Namibia. None of us ever been here before and didn't quite know what to expect. All I knew was, looking at the schedule, it was intense.
Hi man.
Swahili and French. Yeah, French is just like English in Kenya.
Right. Yeah, you speak. I know, Dominic, but I'm asking, when you speak the Swahili,
Yeah.
do you mix a lot with Lingala and French? Do you mix it with the vernacular or?
When we speak Swahili, we mix a lot with French.
Yes.
Alright, Namibia has landed here and I'm ready, so see you soon on the AI Dive tour. I'm here with my boy Bean.
Yeah.
Go.
Hello, see you
Alright,
soon.
let's go, let's do it.
Alex is in Namibia now.
One of the days, it was 8 to 9 hours of talking non-stop, and I knew that the final hour needed to have the same energy, clarity, and engagement as the first one. But first, we had a whole day set for media, TV, podcasts, and interviews, so let's get to it.
How was Zimbabwe? How did you enjoy Zimbabwe?
Yeah, it was very, very nice.
All right.
Yeah. We went 2 podcasts, a radio interview and a TV interview.
Yes.
So it's a whole media day right now, and tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., we're doing Good Morning Namibia. We have Martin here,
Hello.
Vince driving the car. Or, no, not driving, by the way. Hey man,
How's it?
it's good. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. This is the whole team. How's it?
Like how far back does these cameras date? Like which one is the oldest one you got?
Probably the projector over there. Maybe.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty old. And it still works. I think it's probably where,
It
like,
still works?
Yeah. Like
Can't we shoot the podcast with that one, bro?
Yeah.
But it's been stacked so far.
Yeah.
It's been really great. I think in Zimbabwe in total, I think we've reached out to maybe 2,000 people in all the different shows, right?
Wow.
I'm guessing for something similar here.
So we just finished a podcast with More Than Logic podcast, and it was a great podcast. It was like an agency that was hosting it, so there was a lot of questions about my history as an agency owner, like what I learned about leadership and how to manage different tasks and how we can use AI to scale. And the agency owner is he had some good thoughts because he really wants to go global, which I think is the right way for in Namibia right now. So we gave some insights, gave some practical tools, and hopefully you will see the impact. Now we have a radio interview just around the corner, so yeah, let's see how that goes.
These roads.
See that there are over 3,000 delegates registered. So AI.
Love you, man. Keep up the work. Appreciate it. All these things is helping the tour. I made another video.
Hello guys, it's Bo Jackson. I'm back. So there's a public lecture taking place at the University of Botswana. Yeah, I heard that. Step back. Oh God. What's happening?
Tomorrow I have a workshop with V5 Digital. I have the NIPAM. I have CC Hub. And then there's a Q&A, so anyone can ask a question. Sometimes people ask questions in public, but sometimes they just want to ask me privately as well, right?
Enjoy.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Good morning once more again, Namibia. You are still logged in. That is to IUM Radio 94.5 FM, also known as Mr. Too Hot for TV. And right about now, it's time for our Tech Talk discussion for today.
Gonna be royal.
It seems I'm out of airtime.
Are we ready?
You're ready.
Yeah. Where we going?
Shannon?
Sena.
Shanina.
Hi.
Hello.
You guys look so cool.
Yeah. Thank you. You look cool. What's your name?
Salma.
Salma?
Yes.
Salma. Alexander. Cosmetics manufacturer. Ah, okay, that's cool. Okay, let's just try it. Come on.
Sure.
Is this how you sell? You go.
Usually, I like to talk to people.
Okay, so this was a tag. Okay.
Not really.
I felt special. All right.
No, you guys look cool. So this one has a bit of lemongrass, a bit of lavender. It's organically certified. So
Oh.
Play rugby.
Rugby?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
So if you play rugby, are you like you and American football? Are you guys enemies?
Not really.
So you watch Super Bowl?
Yeah, I do sometimes.
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
I mean, each game has its own merits, so I
Yeah.
can't really like discredit one.
No.
Yeah.
He's our manager, also my mom. I'll say hi.
Hello.
Speaker.
Hey, Imai, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome to Namibia.
Thank you so much. You raised a beautiful son. He's a very good interviewer.
Oh, thank you.
It was good. It was really good. I've done this is the second podcast interview now, and I've done a radio interview. But this was the best so far. This was a really good conversation. We had a very deep talk about AI. So it was really cool.
Awesome.
We're doing TV, look at that. For a kindly note that the following personal articles are forbidden on the premises and must be declared to the officer on duty. Cameras. So we need to declare the camera.
Let's tell her we're outside
Let's
here.
see if you can exist.
Welcome back. Tonight we dive into the groundbreaking journey of one man reshaping the future of technology. Alexander Murad, the brilliant man behind the AI Guide World Tour.
That's my take of it as well, and that's why I talk when I talk about it, because a lot of people are afraid of it, right? It's gonna take our jobs, or if what if someone scams me or hurts me with it or something like that. And I keep talking about like we have a choice in everything if we want to choose and use the technology for something good or for something bad, right? Like every tool, dynamite or anything like this has been used for good. And some people use it for bad, right? But we can't let fear control us. Because I feel like it's AI. It's dividing in religion a little bit. And I'm a believer as well. But when I talk to different like priests or churches, so it feels like either they feel like, oh, this is the devil's work and it's here to take over and control us and stuff like that. Either they feel like you're saying like it's a tool from God and depends on how we use it. So. I find it interesting, and I'm a bit contemplating because it's like, am I spreading the word of like something bad or something good, right? But I do believe it's something good if it's used properly, right? 11 and a specific number, so we put more straight.
And the three Jackson.
Also, no one would come if I say AI to survive, right? It's like not that catchy, is it? Now, Blockbuster went bankrupt, and Netflix is doing a TV show about them. So it's the irony of life, right? It's full circle. And you don't want to be those ones that someone makes a TV show about, right? So we're grateful for every person who chose to show up today, who decided to spend their afternoon listening to AI. So I'm just going to make sure that whatever I say will try to empower them, and I hope it resonates as much as it can. And whenever I do a show, I try to locate like two faces on each side, two faces on each area that I lock onto, right? And I try to diversify them to make sure that so like someone maybe a bit older, someone younger, so like, and I see like, okay, are they all laughing? Or because if they're not, I'm losing someone. So that's how I usually do.
The video that you posted a couple of was it weeks ago?
Yeah, which one?
Saying that you are gonna be.
I'm gonna be here.
Traveling.
Yeah, and now I'm here.
I literally thought that was a hoax. I was like, Windhoek, Namibia. If you wanna, because I normally. No, that's
a lot of
it's
a lot of comments was like, I can't believe we Africans believe this or fall for this. Or
I was like, no.
Someone commented, "Nice try, Diddy." And I was like,
yeah. Because I thought the same exact thing. I was like, no, hold on.
Yeah.
How come this guy? Who brought him here?
Yeah.
You understand? How is he coming to Namibia? How does he? But it's.
But now I'm here.
No, it's good.
Are you going to be inside and listen?
I am.
Yeah, it's real. I'm coming.
Yeah, it is. I'm on Instagram.
Yeah,
it is.
It is real.
Join us on this occasion. The Namibia then Alexander Murad. Let's give a round of applause.
Thank you. Wow, what a turnout. That's good. That's really good that you feel like that. You know why? Hey, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. AI or die.
And this is Ephraim, he's the host of CC Lab.
Yeah, sorry guys, we are a bit late.
No, nice meeting you, nice meeting you.
You know, traditional media, they decided you get to speak, you don't get to speak. Because they didn't believe in it. They were like, no, it's not good, it's a phase. Maybe something like that, or just manually going in and reaching out to them. But I think that's the best way. And also building your personal brand and reaching out. I appreciate it, man. And I'm really great to be here.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, man. I don't need any credit. I don't need any I just need to be like that spark. Yeah. And then I really, really hope I come back here one year from now, and I see like a lot of people started AI businesses and making money with it and stuff like that. That would be amazing. I just want to thank everyone. Today it was really good in Namibia. 4 big events. Didn't have a time to eat. I'm sitting here eating a bucket for one KFC just to get some food in me. So no, it was super intense and super nice, and I really, I can't even talk. I've been talking for 9 hours straight, so I'm just out of it. But really appreciated all the love, and I never take that for granted. When we book a venue, it has to go through that guy, and it didn't do that. But according to our contacts, it did do that. So I don't know.
But I have all the confirmations in email.
Yeah.
I mean, I understand this guy's job. It's, you know, his iPod.
So what were we doing?
So Frank is coming, the guy who brought us.
Okay, yeah, cool.
Good, how you doing?
Trying to figure this out.
Yeah.
This is Martin, my camera guy.
Nice to
This
meet
is
you,
the rapper I was talking about. I'm standing here with one of my biggest fans. She's one of the most reposting on WhatsApp, posting everything I do. So why are you here today? This is live, by the way. No, just kidding. Is it cancelled?
Yeah.
All right. I don't really know, to be honest. Like we had spoken to someone here to book the venue.
Yeah.
And then we come here and security says it wasn't booked through that person. He said everything has to be booked through him, enforcing his powers. So that sucks, to be honest. All these people came. I'm so grateful for that. So I just feel like I wish I could have given them the show that they deserve for showing up. But I'm gonna do that. We're gonna figure it out. Drop a freestyle. We're recording.
Are you putting me on the spot? Okay. This me becoming this Ivor song. When you hear slugs, you know I am one. See, I only got this side, ain't no hexagon. Get on my best side, trust me, nigga, you born. I will never change, cause I love the game. I put my heart into this shit, man. The fame, I can't afford to do that, girl. Just the
And I hear what you say, and I feel the same. That's why I'm always doing this shit in this game.
Okay.
You know that? I don't know. Too many people was listening.
In fact, I will never come to your country. Don't come in my country and want to tell me to change my policy. That's bullshit.
Excuse me, sir, don't talk to us like that.
It's unfortunate. Namibia has been a wonderful country, but this guy right here, if you get him on camera, this guy right here,
When is he going? When is he going?
you will slap him?
If you take a picture of me, if you take a picture of me, it's illegal. I will call the law.
This is the weirdest experience I've ever been through. Everyone who's following and is in Namibia right now, do you have like a conference room? Please send me a DM. I don't know, but like this tour, I'm gonna do this for a year. A tour here as well. I'm touring like 10 more countries after this, and I'm gonna be so happy. And that already happened. There's one from Zimbabwe was at the show, and if you spend 4 hours a day, 3 hours a day, you're gonna be the best in Namibia, the best in Africa, and best in the world. Thank you. We got Eminem right here. About like AI, what it is, how it works, and then I give some tools on how to use it to make money.
Okay. She's come all the way from Sweden to give you a lot of amazing nuggets, so pay attention and enjoy the show. Cheers.
Bad things happening with AI as well, but the good things.
Damn, Namibia, Windhoek, I think I fell in love with you. A nation that welcomed me with open arms, the energy was vibrant, the people were passionate, and the landscape, it was something else. I was worried that the schedule might have been too intense, but instead I added on to it because I was so inspired by the curiosity and hunger to create. I went here not knowing really what to expect, but I left here gaining real friends and connections. Revisiting is a must, but now it's time for the big show in Botswana, so make sure to subscribe and comment, and we'll see you on the next episode. And as always, love is the new money. Stay bright.